you want to integrate your fleet into all processes? Would you like to increase collaboration and make data easily available to all employees, no matter if they're at sea or at the office? To make this a reality and to ensure that your crews can work productively on board, we developed Cloud Ship Manager. Cloud Ship Manager is a simplified version of our office solution, Cloud Fleet Manager, that was specifically designed for your vessels. It's a user-friendly desktop client that doesn't overburden your seafarers with unnecessary information. Once it's installed on board, your crews can access a variety of applications. They can autonomously enter, update, and access data in the cloud. The great thing is that the system is always up to date. In a typical ship management solution, fleet-wide software updates are handled by sending out CDs or USB sticks to the vessels. Depending on the size of the fleet, this whole process can take weeks or months. With Cloud Ship Manager, you can update your entire fleet over the air in a matter of hours. It's that easy. Because a live internet connection is not always available at sea, Cloud Ship Manager stores all data locally and allows your crews to work offline until a connection to the internet can be established. Once the vessel is back online, all changes made by your crew are automatically synchronized with the cloud. They're now available in Cloud Fleet Manager and can be accessed by your employees in the office. Say goodbye to never-ending email threads and empower your crew to actively become part of all processes. If you want to experience the future of ship management, you can schedule a demo of Cloud Fleet Manager today at cloudfleetmanager.com.